Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So today in this video we'll talk about one of the biggest question of every aspirants who are preparing for the various entrance exams to pursue their management studies. And that is why CAT Common Admission Test, and that is nothing but क्योंकि जाना तो सिर्फ IIM में है. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video and let's talk about it. So the CAT Common Admission Test, who conducts the IIMs. Now these all I listed the number of entrance exams through which you can enter into the respective colleges or the institutes who conducts their own exams. Some of the exams like XAT, SNAP, TISNET, NMAT, the CAT, one of the popular exam, the CMAT. More than 1000 plus business school accept the CMAT ka score. SNAP for Symbiosis, XAT for Xavier or Zyme, IFT, the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Delhi, TISNET for the TISS, NMAT for Narsimonji, MyCAT, ATMA, IPSAT, and the MAT for all respective institutes. Now guys, the biggest reason why CAT, and that is nothing but the popularity of this particular exam. Now if we talk about the number of registration according to all these years, I got the number for around 2.4, or we can say that in coming years 2.5 lakh per year. इतने सारे aspirants हैं जो CAT की exam लिखते हैं, and see the number of seats in the 20 IIMs. So even the top business schools in the country also accept the CAT का score. So here we can see what exactly the popularity of this particular exam. 2.4 lakh to 2.5 lakh aspirants per year. Now 2020, even due to the COVID situation, still 2.3 lakh. An approximate number is 2,27,531, and still the numbers are increasing. So guys, very first reason, the popularity of this particular exam, and second one, the institute who accept this score, the 20 IIMs and the number of top business schools in India. So guys, अगर institute की भी बात करें, then the first question comes the popularity of the particular institute. The first preference is always the IIMs of each aspirants. उसको जाना ही है IIM अहमदाबाद में, IIM Bangalore, IIM कलकत्ता और IIM लखनऊ, and even the rest of IIMs. चाहे कोई भी IIM से कॉल आ जाए, बस the first preference, the dream of each particular aspirants is nothing but बस भाई मुझे IIM में ही जाना है. And the popularity not in the India, but these all institutes are known worldwide. So first one, the popularity and the repo of that particular institute. The second one, अगर मैं ranking की बात करूँ, then for example 1 to 100 पोजीशन मैं कह सकता हूँ कि हाँ इसमें टॉप कॉलेजेस होंगे इन इंडिया. एंड अगर मैं ये कहूँ सेम पोजीशन में अगर ये सारे IIMs वर्ल्ड लिस्ट में आए तो मैं अगर बात करूँ IIM अहमदाबाद की, देन इट कम्स एट फर्स्ट प्लेस इन ऑल द रैंकिंग्स, चाहे वो रैंकिंग NIF की हो या आउटलुक की हो, बिजनेस वर्ल्ड और द बिजनेस टुडे. एंड सेम वर्ल्ड वाइड इट कम्स एट 20th पोजीशन ऑफ 48th position. If you talk about the accreditation, then guys, these accredited by A++ and the A+. So the accreditation itself says these all are the top institutes. Fourth one, the world-class faculty and the discipline. The IIM Ahmedabad comes at first place in Asia in terms of the faculty, then it also comes at 8th position worldwide. The fifth one, the most important one, the placement guys, because these all institutes has the good connection with the number of companies who visit each year and who takes part in the recruitment cell. So if we talk about the placement, then आपको चिंता करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. Even the baby IIMs are giving the best salary packages. So why not the top IIMs or the main IIMs? And the sixth one, the return on the investment. Okay, the return on the investment हो सकता है कुछ कॉलेजेस से कम हो या कुछ इंस्टीट्यूट से कम हो. अगर हम बात करें कुछ अलग इंस्टीट्यूट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल टिस, या इसकी फीस 1 से 2 लाख है फॉर 2 years. वही बात करूँ मैं पैकेजेस की, देन इट गिव्स अराउंड 30 लाख का पैकेज फॉर इट्स फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम HRM. बट अगर इन्वेस्टमेंट भी ज़्यादा है ऑब्वियसली देन आपको रिटर्न भी ज़्यादा मिलेगा. सो दीज ऑल इंस्टीट्यूट गिव्स यू द बेस्ट रिटर्न ऑन द इन्वेस्टमेंट. If you want a detailed info about the salary packages with respect to each particular institute, then guys, I already made the video on the YouTube. You can watch that video and you can target your dream college from all these listed. So remember one thing, my first preference should be the IIM, any of these IIM. The first one, IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Kozhikode. These 6 are the main IIMs, and the rest one, the new IIMs or the baby IIMs. You can even target the rest IIMs, the IIM Raipur, Ranchi, Rohtak, Amritsar, Shillong, Simon, Nagpur, Jammu, Kashipur, Bodh Gaya, Sambalpur, Tiruchirappalli, Udaipur or the Visakhapatnam. Because guys, as I always says, the MBA is a one-time journey, so choose right path. It should be your priority, but don't create the urgency for the MBA. Even lot of exams are there, but guys, if you really want to enter into the IIM, you have to prepare for the CAT, and not just prepare for it. just crack it and make your career set. And guys, if you want a preparation for it, you can contact us for live classes, classroom preparations, books, mock, GD, VAT, and interview, or the mentorship programs. So call on all these respective numbers. And if you want all exam updates and the notifications, follow our social media handles such as the YouTube, Facebook, Insta, or Telegram group. So guys, all link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and don't forget to subscribe our new YouTube channel, Manua MBA Interest, because you will get lot of videos with respect to the CAT, how to prepare for it, what should be the strategies, what are the important topics. So that's it. Thank you very much. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.